Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consults, and we'll bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State. So today we have a very beautiful property for you. It is known as Royal Heights Estate. So this property is located at Owo. Yes, that Owo is the current village of the current Enugu State Governor, Dr. Peter Mba. So this property comes with a lot of amazing projects, like it is close to the Capstone University. As you can see, this is the fence of Capstone University, and you can see a lot of investors and a lot of realtors are here to see this particular estate. So this property, it's selling for a pre-launch price of 4.5 million naira, of which it has of which all payments are inclusive, and it has a payment plan of 1 million naira. So if you make an initial deposit of 1 million naira, you'll be able to have a spot or a plot at Royal Heights Estate. So this property comes with a lot of amazing landmarks. It's very close to the Owo International Market. It's close to the Smart City. It's close to Governor Peter Mba's house and every other places that are surrounded at this Owo. This property comes with a deed of assignment and a power of attorney. It also comes with a registered survey plan. So if you buy this plot, if you buy this property, we'll be giving you these 3 documents, and it is measured 500 square meters. So if you're interested in getting a plot at Royal Heights, kindly DM us at Josh Consult or call the number you see on your screen for purchase.
Driving in, you see the Owo International Market there, right? And going out is Peter Mba's house, and this is Capstone University. So this place is surrounded with a lot of great landmarks. Alright, now the advantage of people buying here is that they go this farm. Are you seeing? Because you don't want your plot to be cleared with a farm too. Let us know. Right? So this is buying this place. This is Royal Heights.